if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect your router if necessary, or try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 4. Verify game files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that might be using up system resources. This can help improve performance and reduce loading times. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Valorant. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.